Hi kindergarten families, it's Mrs. Buchanan. If you found this video, it means you found Brightspace, and now I can give you a tour of our classroom and where your children are learning during the day. When our students first come to school, this is where they put their belongings. You'll see that their indoor shoes are up in their cubbies, their change of clothes are each in their own little cubby, and their backpacks go down below. And their outdoor shoes will go under here when they come in from outside. They're having drama class right now. We have a paint easel, and everyone has their own individual art supplies. So we have little names on their jars, and everyone has a spot to keep their own things. This is one of our hand washing stations. We've got lots of paper towel and soap and disinfectant, and we keep it very clean. Here's one of our in-class bathrooms. And this is our art drying rack and recycling station, and we're not allowed to use the water fountain right now, so that's blocked off. And we've got another art drying station and another nice clean bathroom. We put our lunches over here in these little lunch cubbies, so everyone has their own special spot, and those are marked with names. And we've got some notice boards where we keep schedules and things. And then this over here on the floor is where we sit for some of our lessons, where we read our stories together. And we've got blocks over here to play with. We've got more blocks over here. And this is where we do our class work. This is our guided work table where they will sit with an educator. This is where they sometimes work on a project. And then these are their tables where they do their work and they eat their snacks, and they're their own spots, which we keep really clean for them. This is our first writer's workshop results, where they worked on their first week of kindergarten writing. It's our listening center. So cute with its little chairs. We've been working on how many letters are in our names. These are our loose part centers, which we use for play. Our science center, some more building materials, but these are mostly clear ones that can be used on our light table. More science center materials. We have a classroom dramatic play center, which right now is a grocery store, and these all get washed every night after kids play with them, and they're only allowed to have 2 friends play there at once. Anyways, this is our little classroom tour, and I hope you enjoyed it.